Uzma, have you done the whole science assignment?
But that... Actually, no.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Noreen, you don't understand.
So, why didn't you did it last night?
Well, actually... Now, let's start my work.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What? Where's my name?
Later off number 3.
No way! Why is it working? No! Now I cannot even do my work. And now it's so hot.
I see. So, that's what happened. Then, how can we fix it?
Pause. Now, relax everybody. If your friend or even you yourself is a victim of such situation, come on, there's always a solution. So, what kind of solution you might ask? Let me show you guys our new innovation, the animal cube.
To explain the situation based on the acting just now, Uzma wanted to stay up late at night to complete her homeworks, but some hostels of boarding schools have the time where we need to turn off all the lights. At the moment, she was using a lamp that used batteries that cannot go on for a long time. Another thing is that her dorm was extremely hot since there was too many people in the room. To be precise, the problems we are facing are using lamps that use some batteries that cannot go on for a long time. The next one is the hot temperature of the room. The last one is having to do homework in the dark because of the light off. There is other way to overcome it. It is actually true that we can just buy a lamp with powerful batteries and a fan, but we also thought that it would be better if we can create something to overcome the problem by combining them to be simpler. To be precise, we are combining a lamp and a fan in an object that is easy to bring and use as a result of its solar energy usage and also